Hello all. Namaste. Welcome to Mother Teacher Training Academy. How to write letter T. Hindi letter consonant T. So let's start learning how to write it, what are the chants required, and also what are the words which start with the letter T. And also I have a beautiful tip for you. So here we go with the letter tracing of T. So this is T. A very simple one. How do we start doing it? So yes. Start with a short standing line, a very short one. Connected to that, you write English letter C. Yes, and above it, a sleeping line. This makes T. Yes, let's do it again. The first step is a short standing line. Connected to it, connected to it, write English letter C and a sleeping line running over it. This makes T. Let's do it one more time. It's short standing line. Connected to it, English letter C and a sleeping line running over it. So this is Hindi letter T. What is this letter? T. Yes. Now let's see what are the different words which start with the letter T. So this is T say tomato. Tomato. Tomato is tomato. Yes, we all know our favorite vegetable, isn't it? Yes. So, T say tomato. T say tongue. Tongue are your legs. Yes. T say tongue. Yes. And T say topi. That's our cap. T say topi. So what are the three words we have learned? T say tomato. T say tongue. And T say topi. So these are the different words which start with the letter T, and try to practice with the chants while writing the letter T, so it will be more easier to you. And now let's see the tip of our day. So that is how to develop the eye-hand coordination. So what do you mean by eye-hand coordination? It's very simple. Eye-hand coordination. So when your child is doing something, they should have that coordination to do it properly. That is, when they are writing, when they are playing, when they are holding something, for everything, there should be a eye-hand coordination. At little, when they're at the younger age, a child tends to see somewhere and do something with the hands, and they see somewhere. So this, they lack that coordination, and we have to little work on this to get that coordination between the eye and the hand. So what they are doing, they are seeing. Very simple. So there are few activities which actually builds it. So that is the very interesting thing. What they like is the blocks, playing with the building blocks. You can get them as much as possible and let them play so that they are seeing and they are doing what they want. So this is building blocks. The second one is drawing, coloring, scribbling, at whatever the stages of age they are in. Of course, they start with the scribbling, followed by control scribbling, and that is what we call it as coloring, and then drawing. So they have different levels. So based on the age, you can give them the drawing, coloring, or scribbling, and even the painting the pictures for a little higher age kids, and then cutting, pasting. You can very simply give them at the beginning stage, give some waste papers to tear. So this has lot of eye-hand coordination activity developing. So you can just make they would love to do it. Trust me. So you can just give some paper, of course, little messy thing, but you can just handle it. Give a small paper, give a big paper and ask them to tear it as small as they can. So that is a great thing. And also cutting. Cutting is the scissoring activity, where they see. First, they can randomly cut, and slowly you can draw zigzag lines or wavy lines or a straight line, and you can ask your child to cut it with the scissors. So this develops lot of eye-hand coordination. And also pasting thing. You can just give them glue, ask them to stick somewhere. Give a big picture of an animal, ask them to stick different color papers on it. So they can do this. This is also a good eye-hand coordination activity. And then throw and catch. They love to play with the balls. So at least play for 10 minutes per day. You throw, they catch, or they playing with between themselves, that is their friends and all. That also develops a lot of eye-hand coordination. And of course, to the higher levels. So there are like basketball, the swing ball, or football, any kind of things which has the eye and the body coordination. So these are the different activities which develop the eye-hand coordination of the child, and hope this helps you. And also they feel that they are just playing, but internally there are a lot of developing happening to them. Hope this helps you and your child. And thank you so much for watching my videos. Like, share, and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much. Namaste.